Of our camper van conversion. We converted a Sprinter van 2008 long wheelbase high roof. Took us 10 months to do it, and today is actually our first trip. We're still getting used to everything and to make sure everything works, but so far so good. We are in west of Ireland in County Galway. It's a beautiful spot we found. Nobody around apart from a fisherman, and that's pretty much. So the outside of the van, we put some off-road tires, 245 75 16. We also have fog lights in the top. We add this little light here for nights if we want to have dinner outside. And then we build also this extension, that is a bed extension, that gives an extra 60 centimeters on the length of the bed. So that's pretty handy. Coming inside, we have this area where we put some swivel seats that gives you an extra meter that on the van. That's very good. Every space counts. So this table, it folds in against the wall this way up, and we hook it up there. We also added this rope for the extra length of the bed. Once we have guests, we just can add this extra space for the table. We also add this seat here that it wasn't here before in the van. So the capacity is for 4 people. Wine rack there, some storages, and then this is the first part of the kitchen. It's literally a countertop. We have a fridge down here, storage, and more storage. Up here we have 3 compartments as well. We have a extractor fan that works both ways, inside and out, brings air in or out. Then this side we have a sink. We have a sink here, a faucet that actually is very handy. You have different settings for pressure. We have our hub here with that's a good size, enough for a camper this size. A spice rack built into the wall, and then more storage up here as well. Then this is the bathroom. That is a shower and a toilet. Down here we have the toilet. It is a cassette toilet that you pull out. Unfortunately, we didn't get the time to finish all the details yet, so these are small things to be done. The basin there, like some details to make it all nice. So once you want to use the shower, there is the mixer, hot and cold. You just literally put the curtains around, close the door, and you are good to go. Down here we have more storages, down here as well. Then this is the bed. The width of the bed is a standard double bed, but the length is 2 meters and 10. More storage up there, quite handy too. So, and then here is where we have all the controls, water pump, extractor fan from the bathroom. We have a solar panel system. Like today is cloudy, but it's still charging, it's quite good. Then we have the inverter for 240, and we have the diesel heater that works very well, especially in Ireland where majority of the time we have cold weathers. This is also a thing to control the water level on the tank. We have a 100-liter freshwater tank underneath the bed with heater, hot water heater as well, everything underneath the bed. And that's pretty much. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any questions, let me know.